Howdy y'all, and welcome to my shop. Join my family and me as we build projects and go on adventures. My name is Waylon, and this is Muddy Turtle Mode. Hi everyone. In this build series, I get to work on this Shriners Parade car. These cars have a lot of miles of history on them, and it's my honor to get to work on this one for the Motor Corps. In today's video, what I'm going to be doing is adding a jack shaft so I can get power from the engine down to the wheel. Let's go. Coming over to the workbench, I have these two bearing hangers here that I'm going to mount on the car about here. This bracket, these four brackets used to hang a jack shaft that was had a differential, and so it drove both wheels at the same time, but those are kind of hard to find nowadays, so I'm going to be going to a much simpler drive system. So we're going to be using these bearing holders here, and I'm going to be adding them here. But to do that, let's see, I'm going to be taking this sheet of steel and I'm going to cut it down the middle, take this, and we'll weld it to the top, and we're going to drill holes here, 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 and make slots so that when it bolts up to the frame, I'll be able to adjust the tension of my chains and everything, and keep everything running. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Okay, so we have it mounted up in our vise. Vise is locked down. We already measured it. It runs better when you have power to it. Grab another extension cord. Alright, when you're going to be cutting and grinding, always use ear protection, eye protection, hand protection. Even if you think you know what you're doing, it only takes one oops to lose a finger, so I don't want that to happen. So that gives us, well, two brackets. The other one's over there. We're going to be landing in these two brackets right here, but they're not perfectly lined up, so we're going to leave this extra long. And we're going to drill our holes and have plenty of adjustment, more than enough. We're also going to have to clean up this edge right here. So it looks like there's two. There's one right there. A little bit of drilling. And you have space to move them. I hope. We will see. I'm actually shooting video right now. Good night, hon. Alright. Show what I did there. So I lined up my brackets to know maximum of where I needed to travel, and I came in a 1/4 inch. I just drew me a straight line so I'd know where I need to drill on the end, and then once I get the holes drilled, I'll notch it out with my Dremel or the angle grinder to help mark the exact spots for my drill bit. I have this punch that will press in and click and leave me a nice little indentation right there. Kind of hard to see, but it'll help the drill bit find its spot to cut in without walking. All right, here's some WD-40, a spray bottle. Pro tip, because I buy it in a big jug, and then you use a bottle like this, and it's much cheaper. And you use this stuff for everything, cleaning, lubricating. I'm going to use it for cutting oil. It's not the best, but kind of a do-all. Okay. There we go. We got our holes drilled. Here a little bit. I'll be cutting these lines and connecting the dots. And I'm also going to do a little bit of grinding where the drill bit cut through. Cleaned up. I was recording all the drilling, but my phone's out of the memory, so yeah, let's see that part. That's going to be it for today. Tune in next time we finish getting power from the engine to the wheel. See you next time.